An urgent health warning tonight as whooping cough cases skyrocket in Queensland.
Authorities are fearing that this current outbreak could turn deadly. Low vaccination rates providing little protection for our most vulnerable.
Little Vivian was just a year old when whooping cough saw her fighting for her life.
Absolutely heartbreaking. She couldn't breathe. That's why we ended up having to take her to hospital. It was traumatic.
But doctors told Rachel her vaccination during pregnancy helped save Vivian's life, a message she wants everyone to hear as cases explode. Already in 2024, more than 7,000 Queenslanders have contracted the killer disease. That's up from just 100 this time last year and 7 times more than the last peak in 2019.
Babies under the age of 12 months are most at risk of severe disease.
It comes as vaccination rates during pregnancy drops 7% in the past 4 years, despite it being free.
If you're vaccinated during pregnancy, your baby has 75% less chance of getting whooping cough.
The ideal time for pregnant women to get the jab is between 20 and 32 weeks. I'm actually due for mine now, so let's do it.
You also don't have to pay to immunise children under 4 and 12 to 19-year-olds who are overrepresented in the current outbreak. But there are calls for the free jab to be extended for all Queenslanders.
We would like to see that extended to also family members, carers, to everyone actually, especially now when we're seeing so much whooping cough.
I'm not sure cost is the barrier. I think we need to do more as a community to combat vaccine fatigue, vaccine hesitation and some of the misinformation that we have seen coming out of COVID.
Kate Lamb, 9 News.